The only thing predictable about South Florida weather is that it's hot, and the last thing you want to worry about is your cooling system. Whether you own a single-family home, a commercial property, or looking for a new system or simply a new service provider, Cooling Mode has you covered. A family-owned, local air conditioning contractor, your comfort is our biggest priority. New to the area, the Martins didn't want to wait until that summer heat set in before having the system at their new home checked out. They called Cooling Mode. Manuel, a rental unit manager, trusted Cooling Mode to service each of the HVA systems in his properties. And Samantha loved the fact that if she had questions, the folks at Cooling Mode explained the issues to her in language she could understand. Don't be left out in the heat. Let Cooling Mode be your air conditioning contractor of choice. Call and get your free quote today.